This video will show you how to use the T-square and freestyle arm to hoop the left or right chest of a jacket. Hooping jackets on the freestyle arm with the T-square is much easier than hooping a jacket on the station. Jackets are large and hard to work with on a board like the station. When hooping on the freestyle arm, most of the bulk of the jacket is out of the way. Many jackets also have loose inner linings that are only attached to the outer part of the jacket at the edges. These linings tend to wrinkle and get distorted when hooping on the station. The reason for this is the direction you pull the jacket over the station. When you slide the jacket onto the station, you're pulling the jacket and lining straight down from the shoulder seams. The lining is sewn on an angle at the top, so when you pull straight down, you're pulling against this angled seam. This naturally distorts the lining. When hooping on the freestyle arm, you'll be pulling the jacket across the freestyle arm against the straight seam by the buttons or zipper of the jacket. This will help to keep the lining from wrinkling or distorting while hooping. Make sure you watch the special T-square section of the video before watching this section. The first thing you'll want to do is figure out where you want the design to be embroidered. Then you'll set up the T-square so you do not have to mark the remaining jackets of that same size. You can have someone try the jacket on and place a mark on the jacket with a placement dot or a piece of masking tape, or you can lay the jacket out on your table and use the placement chart included in your instructions to find a good location for the embroidery. Once you have a mark on the first jacket, you'll need to unbutton or unzip the jacket. We're going to be hooping the jacket sideways. Start by adjusting your outer ring for the approximate thickness of your jacket. Then place your outer ring in the fixture and place your top hoop on the arms. Make sure the hoop locks in the center and that you have the brackets of the hoop facing the correct way to lock into the embroidery machine. Pull the jacket over the fixture until the hoop is centered over your mark. When the jacket is in the correct place, look at the line that the side of the jacket is pulled to. Document this line so you can pull the rest of the jackets to this same line. In this example, the design is about 4.5 inches in from the edge of the jacket. There is not a line on the fixture here, so we're going to use a piece of masking tape to mark the fixture for our placement. Next, decide which part of the jacket you want to measure down from. You can use the top of the jacket or anything else that is consistent, like a seam or a button. Slide the T-square until the flat end, which is the 0 point of the T-square, is at this measuring point on the jacket. Then just tighten the T-square and make sure you pull this same point of the jacket to the end of the T-square each time. If you look at the measurement on the T-square that is over the center line of the board, that is the distance the center of the design will be from the point you're measuring from. It provides a consistent reference for logo placement and eliminates the need to mark garments. In this example, our design will be 6.5 inches down from the top of the jacket. Remember to document the line you're using on the fixture and the T-square setting for repeat orders. Now that everything is set, just make sure the side of the jacket is parallel with the lines on the fixture, and then press the hoop down. Turn the jacket over and notice that the lining is straight and tight. Also make sure that your hoop is recessed slightly. Remember that you are actually embroidering the logo sideways, so make sure you rotate your design in your machine 90 degrees in the correct direction. Hooping jackets this way is very fast once the T-square is set up. Just pull the jacket over the fixture and press the hoop down.